I'm trying the Bitnami WordPress stack installation in Linux Ubuntu. That's working in all Linux systems. It's a run script, and you need to you give them execute rights for your user, and then I want to try and what happens. Installation language. Let's try English. Press OK, and then let's see what we have here. Simply press next. This is something interesting. I never saw that. That's a web application accelerator. Start it in front of your web application, and it will speed up significantly. Significantly. That's probably we don't need. And should I have should I use it or should I not use it? I want to have it simple as possible because I want to development things with this local installation, and I don't know if this maybe gives some confusing if too many things are installed. So for this reason, I disable that and check next. This place is here in this video. I used username X, that's for simplification, and that's the recommended folder name. Why not use that? Let's use it. Username, I want to have it as simple as possible. I want to use I get everything like this one. Username user, and I use the default WordPress installation block name. Block name is block name. I don't need email and launch WordPress in the cloud. I don't need that. Bitnami simplifies the way popular server application and development stacks are created and developed in the cloud. That sounds good. With over 1 million developments each month, has become the world's most popular destination for deploying today's most popular open source applications. I don't see the benefit actually for this one. Let's do the next one. And there's some interesting. There sounds VMware installation builder. This what I want to do is has nothing to do with VMware. So this name a little bit confused me. But I think what we have to do at the end has nothing to do with VMware in this case, that we don't need to have installed first or have installed VMware also. Now it's ready. The configuration, now starting it, and it's unpacking files. Let's see how long that takes. As later I want to use the standard theme, and I want to build a plugin with some self-configured endpoints and a default output from some public JSON files. And it takes a little bit time. I think we know about 4 minutes or so. So that's a YouTube video size time. Yes, it's long enough. I hope it starts now. Now we see an error message. The error message says me blah 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 blah. While loading shared libraries, cannot open share cannot open shared object file. No such file or directory, blah blah blah. MySQL. Error loading shared libraries. That's really not so good. That means that this installation didn't work like expected. Maybe we need, maybe there's something, a manual that says that you need to have installed MySQL first. So I stopped this video now at this point and asked the community about this error message.